little.
Doing a good job, mate. Double time.
Gosh, I'll let you drive. I hate driving through water.
Oh, look, there's little cars and us driving through.
Bella could go through this corner ride in 11 seconds. We're just so going to see it tonight, Mum.
Where you going?
I don't know, to the bathroom? Shut it out. Driving through, yeah?
I walked through yesterday. It was only just above, it was higher than this yesterday. It was only just above your ankle.
Dad, was it this bad? Dad, has it got any bad or anything?
Nah, it's still about the same.
Hang on, Lucas. Does it get deeper, Dad?
Slow down a bit, honey. Just go over to your right. That's where it's shallow.
And more flows more faster.
Exactly the same height as well yesterday.
Have a look. Dad, will this water be any higher?
No, it's the same height as when I walked through yesterday.
Where did you walk through?
Well, Phil Sleaford said there's a train coming at 4 o'clock. Over your left, morning. Ah, right, sorry.
Isn't it? Oh, I'm gonna get petrified. It's alright, it's
A bit more of a flood of 09. They're actually going to build a house up there. Buy a block of land anyway. Got a car coming. Get a wriggle on.